Welcome to part 2 of our WorldCat Discovery tutorial, presented by the University of Mount Olive Moy Library. In this video, we will be looking at advanced searching. In order to perform an advanced search for WorldCat Discovery, Moy Library's online catalog and discovery tool, you first need to click on the link labeled Advanced Search in the Search Moy and Beyond form underneath the search text box. On the Advanced Search page, there are three different sections: the Search Form, the Database Selection, and the Search Tools. First, let's focus on the Search Form in the top left. The Search Form has three different sections: Operators, also known as Boolean operators, the Search Index, and the Search Term. The search term is what you are searching. If your search term is a multiple word phrase, I would suggest using quotation marks. For example, if you were to search for cognitive dissonance without quotation marks, then the system, in this case that's WorldCat Discovery, will search for both words separately. But with quotation marks, that signals to search for these words together as a phrase. The search index tells the system where to search for your term. If the search index is set to keyword, then the system will search all available textual metadata for that term. The textual metadata consists of everything that you see on a resource's item page. The title, the author, the summary, the ISSN, the subject headings, and so on are all considered textual metadata. If you were to make your subject index author, then the system will only look at the author metadata for your results. The operators allow you to tell the system how you want to group different search terms. There are three operators: and, or, and not. And will narrow your results. If you decide to search for cognitive dissonance and education, then the system will only return resources that include both of those terms. Or broadens your results. If you search cognitive dissonance or education, the system will return resources that have either one of those terms. Not will exclude a term from the search. If you search cognitive dissonance, not education, the system will return everything that includes cognitive dissonance but not education. If you wish to add a fourth search term, you may click the button labeled Add Row beneath the third search term. Let's create an advanced search with the keyword cognitive dissonance with quotation marks and as our operator, and then for the second search term we'll use the keyword education. Now let's look at the database selection area on the right of the page. The default databases being searched are located under the heading Searching Databases. There are three default databases: ABI Inform Collection, which is a business database; ProQuest Central, which is a comprehensive database searching across different subjects; and WorldCat.org, which consists of resources available in the WorldCat database at Moy Library and all over the world. Below Searching Databases, you will find different subject groups that you can add to the Search Databases list. Let's look under the group labeled Education. This group contains four databases: Education Database, ERIC, Sociology Database, and Teacher Reference Center. We could select all four by clicking the Select All in Group button, which is below the Education heading, but let's just select the checkboxes for Education Database, ERIC, and Sociology Database. Now let's go back up to the Searching Databases heading and uncheck ABI Inform, as we are not looking for anything related to business. Now let's click the button labeled Save Changes right beneath the Databases heading. So let's look at the section labeled Search Tools beneath the search box area. The search tools allow you to add filters to be included into your search. The first section of checkboxes will allow the system to only return peer-reviewed articles, include open access resources, group related additions together, and expand search with related terms. Now we're going to want to check only return peer-reviewed articles, and we're going to leave the checkboxes for group related additions together and expand search with related terms still checked. The Format drop-down box will allow you to search which formats are returned in the search. Let's select Articles. Publication year allows you to input a publication date range. We will search for the last 5 years, so that would be 2017 through 2021. Finally, we can select to see resources held by libraries worldwide or only held by the University of Mount Olive Moy Library. Let's select University of Mount Olive Moy Library. Before you complete this search, you need to review your search parameters. Especially pay attention to search index to make sure all the values are correct. Also your operators, your searching databases, and your filters under Search Tool. If everything is correct, let's click the Search button to complete our search. You will also notice that the filters are not shown at the top of the page like they are for a basic search. The search terms and filters are located in the search box at the top of the page in what is considered shorthand codes. It's helpful to know these shorthand codes, but is by no means necessary. Okay, there's one last thing that I would like to show you. Let's go down to the subject area on an items page. These are subject headings and can be used as additional keywords that you can swap in for one of your initial keywords in your search. You may also click on these linked subject headings to find all the resources that are associated with that specific subject heading. Researching is a trial and error process, so you may find the need to alter your searches from time to time. Thank you for watching. For more information or help concerning library services, please visit umo.edu/library.